Video I will show you how to make gradient color using Canva and how to make text with that gradient color. So go here to create a design and start typing US letter, choose US letter document, and go here to uploads to upload your logo design. So when you purchase logo design from my Etsy shop, you will receive different types of files, but in Canva we will primarily use the PNG file of your logo. So go here to upload files and upload the PNG file of your logo. I already have some logo samples here, so I will use one of them. Let's say this one. Okay. You will see why did I upload the logo to this canvas. Okay. Now we are going to elements and we will start typing gradients here. Here you should choose the graphic gradients, and now you can choose one of these gradients. I will choose this one because I see that it has 3 colors. This one, for example, has only 2 colors. How do I know that? Well, when you click on it, here you see what are the colors that this gradient consists of. Okay, let's delete this one and choose this one because it has, as you see, 3 colors. And the more colors we have, it will be the better gradient. So what will we do now? When you select this gradient, go and click here on the first color and choose one of these colors. Why? Because when we uploaded the PNG file of your logo, here we got some color codes from the gradient for our logo, and we want to create the same gradient as we have in our logo. So first I will choose the darkest one, then this one for the middle. No, it is here on the end, so let's choose this one, the lightest, and this one is for the middle color. Let's choose this one, or we can maybe choose, okay, let's go with these combinations. You can play around and see what combination you prefer. So we have our gradient color now, and we can delete the logo, stretch this field, gradient field, and download the file. Go here to downloads. You can leave PNG, and this size it is completely okay, and go to download. Once it is downloaded, you can just drag it to uploads, or go here to upload files, then downloads, and find your file here. So now we have our gradient as a PNG file, as a picture, a photo. We can delete it here, and let's add this gradient to the text. Unfortunately, Canva still don't have an option to add the gradient color to any text you type here using this text option. So we must use the frame option from the elements. Why? Because when you click on elements and go to frames here, okay, see all, if you scroll down, you'll see that they have an option of the letters as the frames. We can use only these letters and numbers to add the gradient color. So let's choose any of these letters, A for example, and let's get back to uploads and choose our gradient color here. Simply drag and drop it. If you double click, you will be able to stretch this color to fit the whole letter. Okay, then click anywhere else, and here it is. Now you have the text with gradient color. If you want to have more letters, you will need to do this for each letter separately. Okay, I hope this helped. Thanks for watching.